Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is mental clarity and focus, how to stay sharp in a distracted world. With all the constant notifications and endless to-do lists, staying focused has never been harder. Today we'll cover why mental clarity matters, common mistakes, my personal experience, and a practical step-by-step plan to sharpen your focus starting today. Mental clarity affects everything: work productivity, relationships, creativity, and decision-making. Studies from Stanford University show that individuals with higher focus capacity are up to 40% more productive and experience lower stress levels. In fact, a 2024 study published in the Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience found that sustained attention training improved decision-making speed by 25%, while reducing errors in high-pressure tasks. Mental clarity also directly impacts long-term brain health. The Alzheimer's Association reports that maintaining strong focus and regular cognitive challenges may reduce dementia risk by up to 30%. Listener story. Amanda from Colorado shared, "After working on my focus, I cut my workday by 2 hours and still got more done." Another listener, Brian from Seattle, said, "I used to feel constantly foggy until I started structuring my day around clear focus blocks. My mood and energy improved in just a couple of weeks." Personally, I realized the importance of mental clarity after feeling burned out from juggling too many projects. Once I committed to single tasking and better sleep habits, not only did my productivity improve, but my creativity came back as well. Here's the key takeaway. Mental clarity isn't just about work. It supports long-term brain health. Structured focus habits can significantly improve mood and energy. Anyone can train mental clarity with consistent practice, starting with small daily routines. Let's break down the most common focus mistakes that hold people back. Mistake 1. Multitasking constantly. Switching tasks every few minutes reduces efficiency. Research from the University of London found that multitasking can lower IQ performance scores temporarily by up to 15 points, similar to losing a night of sleep. Mistake 2. Skipping sleep and hydration. Dehydration as little as 1 to 2% reduces cognitive performance, while sleep deprivation impairs memory, attention, and reaction time. Studies show even one night of poor sleep can drop focus levels by 30%. Mistake 3. Not setting clear priorities. Without clear daily goals, mental energy gets scattered. Listener story. Kevin from Ohio shared, "When I started writing down my top 3 tasks every morning, I doubled my output." Mistake 4. Overconsumption of caffeine. Too much caffeine can cause jitters, energy crashes, and sleep disruption. Optimal focus often comes from a balanced approach rather than constant stimulation. Mistake 5. Lack of physical movement. Sitting all day reduces blood flow to the brain. Adding movement boosts alertness and mental clarity. Here's my full focus toolkit in more detail. Morning clarity routine. I start each day with 5 minutes of journaling. Top 3 priorities plus gratitude. Drink 500 milliliters of water and practice 5 minutes of box breathing. Single tasking. I use 90-minute focus blocks, turning off notifications, and setting my phone on airplane mode. One task, one window, no tabs open. Daily movement. 10,000 steps minimum, plus 3 to 4 strength workouts per week. Even a 5-minute stretch break helps reset focus. Limiting caffeine after noon. My personal rule is no coffee after 12 p.m. to protect evening focus and sleep. Sleep optimization. I maintain a 10:30 p.m., 6:30 a.m. sleep schedule with blackout curtains and no screens, 1 hour before bed. Listener story. Josh from Florida said, "After cutting down my caffeine and setting focus blocks, my afternoon crashes disappeared." His story shows how small adjustments can make a big difference in clarity and energy. Now that you've explored my toolkit, here's how to create a personalized focus plan step by step. Step 1. Set your daily top 3 priorities. Each morning, write down the 3 most important tasks that, if completed, would make your day productive. Avoid overwhelming yourself with a long to-do list. List tip. Rachel from Boston shared, "Writing down just 3 key tasks every morning cut my anxiety in half." Step 2. Schedule 90-minute focus blocks with breaks. Use a timer to work in 90-minute chunks, followed by a 15-minute break. During focus blocks, silence notifications, close extra browser tabs, and keep only the task at hand visible. Apps like Focus Keeper or simply your phone's timer can help. Step 3. Create a consistent morning and evening routine. Morning, journaling, hydration, light movement. Evening, screen-free wind down time, reading, and breath work. These routines help set your mental state at the start and end of each day. Step 4. Track focus, energy, and mood weekly. Use a journal or app to rate each day from 1 to 10 in terms of focus, energy, and mood. Reflect every Sunday to identify patterns and adjust your habits accordingly. Bonus step. Plan for flexibility. Life happens. If you miss a focus block or skip your routine, don't get discouraged. Recommit the next day. Sample daily focus schedule. 7 a.m. Morning routine, journaling, water, breath work. 8 to 9:30 a.m. First focus block, most important task. 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. Break, stretching, hydration. 10 to 11:30 a.m. Second focus block, secondary task. Afternoon, light movement, walk, strength training. 3 to 4:30 p.m. Third focus block, admin or lighter work. 9:30 p.m. Evening routine, reading, journaling. By following this structured but adaptable plan, you'll create sustainable mental clarity that supports both productivity and well-being. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone looking to sharpen their focus and clarity. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into stress management strategies that actually work. I'll see you then.